Assalamualaikum and welcome to our channel. Today's lesson is about different way to say how are you. So, before starting the lesson, first subscribe our channel, like and comment please. Okay, let's start the video. Number 1. How do you do? Number 2. Long time no see. Number 3. How's everything coming together? Number 4. What's good in the hood? Number 5. Are you well? Number 6. Is there anything concerning you? Number 7. How are things going? Number 8. How is life sailing? Number 9. How are you holding up? Number 10. How's everything? Number 11. How's it going? Number 12 and last. How are things? Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification of all our videos. Okay.